Hi, my name is Alice Bowmaker, and I'm going to take you through a 10-minute stretch. So let's begin by taking a little half circle of the head from left to right, feeling the shoulders relaxing and the head nice and heavy, dropping that awareness into the body. Now hold the head over to the right side and start to nod the head, keeping that tilt of the head. Roll over to the left side and nod the head, feeling that stretch down the side of the neck, moving gently. Take your time. Roll the head back to center, and then from here we're going to come onto our hands and knees, tabletop. Spread the fingers and thumbs nice and wide, and then we're going to move through cat and cow. So dropping head and tailbone, bum comes towards the heels, keep the curve in the back, belly button in. Inhale, come forwards, glide the shoulders down the back. Exhaling, drop head and tailbone. Keep the glutes squeezing as they come towards the heels. Stretching lower back. Inhale, come forwards, glide the shoulders back. Exhale, drop the head and tailbone, belly button drops in. Hold that stretch. Inhale, come back to center. And then start to just move the tailbone here. So keeping the upper back relatively still, focus on the pelvis tilting. Tucking under, giving the glutes a squeeze, and then lifting those sit bones up and spreading them wide. And then just holding that tuck of the tailbone as you squeeze the abs and the glutes, and then come back to a nice flat back. Lovely. Let's tuck the toes under, coming into a toe stretch. Now, if this is too much for your toes today, keep the hands on the floor. Otherwise, sitting back on the heels, spreading the toes wide, making sure the ankles stay drawn together, pushing through the ball of the foot, and then untucking the little toe as well. For a deeper stretch, we can interlace the fingers behind the back, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and feel that lovely opening across the feet as well as the chest. Or if it's too much, you can wrap the arms behind you. But wherever you are, take a lovely deep breath into the chest and out, feeling that tension releasing from the body. Release the hands, come back to tabletop, and then from here we're going to step that right foot forwards to the outside of the hand. If you want a deeper stretch, you can just shuffle your front foot further forwards and start to rock the hips forwards and backwards. Inhaling the hips forwards, exhaling back to stretch the hamstring. Keep breathing and relaxing as you move. And then slide that front heel backwards and bring the hand off the floor. Press down into the front heel and start to tuck the tailbone under again and release. Tuck and squeeze the left glute and release. So we're lengthening that left hip flexor. Tuck and squeeze and hold that to feel the stretch down your left thigh, and then bring the hands down to the inside of that front foot and step back to tabletop. Step the left foot forwards. Again, you can shuffle that left foot a little bit further forwards for a deeper stretch and start to rock the hips backwards and forwards. Inhaling as you bring the hips forwards and exhaling back, relaxing into the sensations. And then slide your front foot back slightly, press into the front heel. Going to tuck the tailbone and squeeze the right glute and release. Tuck and squeeze and release. And squeeze and hold, lengthening the right hip flexor, squeezing the core and your bum. And then bring the hands down to the inside of the front foot and step to tabletop. Lovely. Tuck those toes under and lift the hips up to downward dog and bring the knees to the floor. Lift up and press chest to thighs. Inhale, tabletop, abs draw in. Exhale, downward dog, and start to press now one heel to the floor at a time. Stay in downward dog. Work through those feet, pressing through the balls. And now pressing both heels down. And then bringing the knees down to the floor. Lovely. Come to a cross-legged seated position and take your right leg out to the side in straddle. Slide your right leg down the inside of the right thigh. And then if you can, take that left arm overhead. Taking that deep breath into the left side of the body. Feeling the belly and the ribs expand. Slowly come back to center and take your left leg out to the side. Slide the left hand down. And then if you can, reaching that right arm overhead, drawing the right shoulder back. Then start to breathe into the right side of the body, feeling that expansion of the ribs. And then come back to center. Cross at the ankles and come into a seated twist, taking your left hand to right knee. Right hand nice and close behind you so you can really lift up tall as you breathe in. And then squeeze the belly button in and twist. And keep drawing the right shoulder back. Inhale to center and exhale, twist round, taking right hand to left knee, left hand behind you. Just breathing into wherever you're feeling tenderness or tightness today. Feeling the ribs expand on that breath in. Lengthening through the spine. Come back to center and then let's bring the soles of the feet together and the knees apart. Keep the back straight, or if it feels okay, you can fold all the way forwards. Just keeping the jaw nice and soft now as you breathe down into the base of the spine and feel the pelvis expand. Slowly come up and let the knees gently rock from left to right, loosening up those hips, massaging the glutes. Lovely. And then we're going to cross now your right ankle over left knee and slide that left foot towards you to deepen the stretch. Try to lift up tall here and take a little rock side to side if that feels nicer for your pelvis. Keep breathing down into the belly, keeping the jaw soft. Lift up a bit taller as you come back to center. And then slowly place your left foot down. Slide your right foot out, cross the left ankle over the knee, and then slide that right foot back in. Feel that lengthen through the spine. And if you want to, start to rock the hips or the knees from side to side. Breathing down into the belly. Come back to center, lift the chest a bit more, draw the shoulders back, lengthen the spine, softening the jaw. Now uncrossing your ankles, come to a cross-legged seated position. I'm going to take the hands overhead into a diamond shape and then squeeze those elbows down and up. You can do this seated on a chair or kneeling if you want. Exhaling, elbows draw down. Shoulder blades squeeze down the back, chest opens. And then hold that squeeze and then open the arms out. Take your left elbow under right or wrap the arms around you. If you're taking hold of the hands, draw the elbows down. And as you hold there, breathe into the shoulder blades. Feel them expand and this stretch deepen around the back of the neck and the shoulders. Slowly come up. Reach the arms out and take the right elbow on the left, wrapping the hands behind you or taking hold of your hands. Draw the elbows down, tuck the chin in, and deeply breathe into those shoulder blades, softening the muscles in the face. Bring the elbows up, take the hands down onto the knees, and then close the eyes. Again, you could be in a chair or kneeling for this. Press the first finger and thumb together, focus at the third eye. And let's do 4-part breath. Breathing in, hold, breathe out, hold. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. Come back to your normal breath, just feeling the sensations of the body in this present moment. Take a deep breath in and out, letting go of all of the tension in the day. And another breath in and out. Press the palms together. Lovely. Take another deep breath in and out. One more deep breath in. Let everything go. Breathe out. Slowly opening the eyes. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.